India is placed third among countries in scientific publication. A survey on research and development statistics indicators 2019-20 conducted by NSTMIS, that is National Science and Technology Management Information System, has ranked India at the third position, preceded by the USA and China at first and second rank respectively. The report says total expenditure on R&D in the country has tripled from 2008 to 2018, increasing from rupees 39,437 crores in 2008 to 1,13,825 crores in 2018. As per the report, the Department of Science and Technology and Department of Biotechnology are the two main contributors, with DST contributing 63% of R&D support and the DBT contributing 14% of it. India is ahead of Russia, Hungary, Israel, the UK and Spain in the spending, with total spending of $185 per researcher. As of April 2018, around 5.52 lakh personnel are working in R&D. The number of researchers per million has also been doubled in India since 2000. Participation of women in R&D has increased from 24%. India ranked 9th in the world in terms of patent filing. Also, India's patent office ranked 7th in the world. Who is NSTMIS? Science and technology play a vital role in the economic, social and physical development of a country. Scientific and technological research requires an abundance of investment, especially trained manpower, raw materials, etc. Here the National Science and Technology Management Information System, a division of Department of Science and Technology, comes in a picture, entrusted with the task of building the information base on a continuous basis on resources devoted to scientific and technological activities for policy planning in the country. NSTMIS periodically conducts national surveys to collect data on resources completely related to science and technology activities, mainly R&D in the country. Based on survey data, a number of S&T reports are published, providing crucial information on the country's R&D indicators, which serve as an evidence base for science and technology assessment and policy formulation.